Many high-performing men reach their 40s and notice something unsettling. Their energy isn't what it used to be, their workouts don't produce the same results, recovery takes longer, and fat begins accumulating around the abdomen, even though their lifestyle hasn't changed dramatically. Now, the question many men quietly ask themselves is this: did I just lose my edge? Now, in many cases, something deeper is happening. Your biology may be changing. I'm Dr. Sean Burke, founder and chief medical officer at Jumpstart MD. We see this pattern all the time. A successful professional in his 40s or early 50s, he comes in and says something like, I'm still working hard, I'm still exercising, but something feels different. And sometimes men may also notice changes in libido or sexual performance. These experiences, they're incredibly common. Yet suffering in silence, they're rarely talked about openly. So one major factor behind these changes can be declining testosterone. Now, testosterone naturally peaks in early adulthood, and beginning in the mid-30s, levels gradually decline. On average, total testosterone declines roughly 1% per year, while free testosterone often declines even faster. Lifestyle, chronic disease, and environmental factors can accelerate this decline. Chronic stress elevates cortisol. Poor sleep suppresses testosterone production. Weight gain increases inflammation and insulin resistance. And excess amounts of visceral fat convert testosterone into estrogen, suppressing the former in the process. So for many men, a vicious feedback loop develops. Lower testosterone contributes to fat gain, and fat gain further suppresses testosterone. And over time, not only sexual interest, but energy, mood, body composition, and metabolic health all begin to change together. For testosterone is not just about sexuality. It influences many aspects of health and performance. It supports muscle mass and staying lean, energy and motivation, metabolic and mental health, cognitive function, bone density, sexual health and performance. So that when testosterone declines significantly, the effects can ripple across multiple systems of the body. Now, the key point is this: these changes are not signs of weakness, and no fault of yours if they're occurring. They're simply biologic changes or biologic signals that things are changing. And when we recognize those signals early, we can address them thoughtfully and with interventions founded on life-affirming proven science. Remember, men, there's no need to suffer in silence. Understanding what's happening biologically is the first step. Because when men understand their physiology, they can make smarter decisions about their health, performance, quality of life, and longevity.